Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play three-wood golf club, only ways. Set up with the ball just forward of center, feet shoulder width, and weight gently favoring your front foot. Keep a relaxed grip and a slight knee flex. Tilt your spine a touch away from the target to promote a shallow attack. Align shoulders and feet square to the target line and take a smooth, controlled practice swing before hitting. Start the backswing with a confident but smooth motion, keeping the club head low and the body turning together. On the downswing, feel like you are sweeping the ball off the turf rather than digging down hard. Focus on accelerating through impact, keeping your head quiet and eyes down. Finish with weight fully shifted to your front foot and a balanced follow-through that faces the target for consistent distance and direction. If you're finding these tips helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing practical golf advice. Quick recommendation. On another note, the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum with voice control helped free up time for extra practice, and it fits neatly into a golfer's busy routine. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. When selecting your three-wood, think about the whole and desired trajectory rather than just raw distance. A slightly higher lofted three-wood produces softer landings and more carry, while a lower loft gives extra roll. Move the ball a bit forward to promote higher launch or slightly back to encourage more roll. Practice different tee heights and stances to find the combination that gives you reliable dispersion and confidence off the fairway.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.